selling your car, don't forget this one step. So in this video, let me show you how to delete personal data. It's really useful and really important before you hand over the keys to do this one simple thing. So let me start by using the home button, choose here menu and select setup. You need to choose general tab, scroll down, and here you can delete personal data. So all personal data will be deleted. For more details, refer to the owner's manual. If you are aware of this and you would like to simply delete it, just tap delete. In my case, let me don't do it to save my data for later, but if you are selling your car or simply would like to have a fresh start, it's highly recommended to delete your personal data. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up.